This video that I'm doing right now is basically to show and prove that heat inside the vehicle, especially with this high heat that we having right now. Today is July 20th, 2020. So just to make sure that the date is accurate, July 20th, 2020, and the time, if I'm not mistaken, is about 12, a little bit past 20. So you're looking at this compass, or you can see thermometer, the weather, the temperature outside reading in the vehicle as far as my dashboard says 97 degrees Fahrenheit. And with this thing that I have hooked up on the dashboard, it's basically, when I first hooked it up, it started about 90, 98, 99, then it ramped up almost like right now, almost about 130 degrees inside the vehicle. So the other one you're looking at, you basically use that for stove inside your oven to basically calculate the temperature. So as you can see how the gauge is basically going on this direction. So when I first place it inside the vehicle, normally the gauge will be right there in the center or somewhere over there on that side. Then it gets hotter and hotter and hotter as far as the thermometer. Then it starts moving on this direction. So that tells you how ridiculously hot inside your vehicle can actually be. So we're gonna look at that again. Again, that's 100 past 30 some degree inside the vehicle. And the location that I'm at right now is Augusta, Georgia. Right in the center of Augusta, Georgia. So my temperature inside the vehicle is a little bit above 130 something degree. So let me show you the dashboard inside the vehicle. It's reading 97 degree outside. 97 degree Fahrenheit outside. And this is what you're getting in here. It's gonna go, and I guarantee you, in a few minutes, about 140 degrees or more. So the next experiment we're gonna do, we're gonna grab some ice and place it in the some kind of container to see how long it's gonna take for the couple cubes of ice to basically melt with this high amount of heat that we're having inside the vehicle. So that's the main reason why you cannot, and I'll repeat it again, this video is not for anyone to play with, not for kids whatsoever. So I'm gonna say it again, this video is not for kids or anyone to play with. This is just an experiment to show you how dangerous, ridiculously dangerous it is to be in a hot car. If you're driving with your vehicle have no AC, I understand you can drive with the window down, whatever, but please do whatever you can. Do whatever you can to get your AC fixed, especially with this high heat. I would please do whatever you can. You don't know me, but if you stop, I'm just saying, if you see me, you know what I'm about to say is irrelevant because you don't really know me. But if I happen to see you on the street and you explain to me that you don't have AC in your car, you're driving with no AC, I don't have that much, but I believe whatever I have with your problem, I can help you or find a way to help you, because it's dangerous to be driving with no AC with this ridiculous heat. So we're gonna go again, trying to do the experiment, and I'll be right back. So once again, we just grab our a few ice. So we're gonna see how long it would take for some of the ice to melt. So once again, we're gonna look at this thing again. Look at this. Look at this, y'all. Going up to 150 degree Fahrenheit. And we're back to this one, the other one. And this one is basically somewhere about, because this is your Celsius right here. And then the 200 mark, this is your basically Fahrenheit. So it's about 100 and something Fahrenheit, similar to this one. Going close to 150 degree inside the vehicle. So let's see. I don't know if you can see it. We have a few ice cube in that container, and to see how long it's gonna take before some of them start to melt down. So this basically, this is this is how dangerous it is. In fact, it just reached 150 Fahrenheit in a hot car. And as far as the outside temperature you're looking at, it's still 97. 97. So we're back a little bit after, I would say, about 5 to 10 minutes, somewhere around there. So remember, we were at 150. Now guess what? We're at 160 inside the vehicle. After about 5-10 minutes, we at 160 inside the vehicle. So, and then this is the other one. As far as our ice, let's see where we at. Yeah, we got water in there, so ice is melting. A good amount of water in there. Look at that. So it didn't take that long for the ice start melting real fast. And our outside temperature is still reading 97. So let's see how bright is the sun. How about that? The sun is beaming right on us. So of course, so this temperature is not a temperature to play with. So now let me see where we at. I would say we're close to 165 Fahrenheit. So, and the other one right here is somewhere around there. $165, somewhere around 165 inside the vehicle, and outside temperature is still same. And as far as our ice, all you get is just basically water. So that right there is about 170 and 175 degree Fahrenheit. That's what it shows. Somewhere around 170 and 175. Now we got our reading here. Let's look a little closer. So about 180 degree Fahrenheit. I would say this is about 180 degree Fahrenheit.
It's not safe to play inside a hot car.
Thank you. You got it.